Hello friends, this is our lecture number 36. Again we are continuing or we are in the topic of WH questions. We will see now the WH questions in detail. The first question is, where do they live in monsoon? What is the first question? Where do they live in monsoon? The answer is they live out in monsoon. So in this answer there is out word, and this out word has been underlined because the question is asked with where. So where is the WH word which asks always the place. So the place is out. The place is shown here with the word out, and so the question is, where do they live in monsoon? And the answer is they live out in monsoon. So here we have seen in detail, but we will see the question in detail, that this question has started with where, WH word. Then there is the do, that is the helping verb. Then there is the subject they, means here in place of they there will be the subjects I, we, you and they. Then there will be the main verb there will be always, and then object or complement, and then there will be the question mark at the end of the question. So again we will repeat, where do they live in monsoon? Answer is they live out in monsoon. The next question is, who love you? Who love you? So the answer is, my parents love me. Answer is my parents. So here the question is with who. Who means what? Somebody is asking about who, means who love you, means who is there, who is that person who loves you. That is the situation. Or who love you, that is the situation. That's why the question is, who love you? The answer is, my parents love me. So my parents is the answer, and who is the WH word. But the building, the structure of this question is different from the questions of what and where. How? This question begins always with who, then there comes the main verb, and then there comes the object or the remaining part, and then there is the question mark. This is the structure. Means the structure of who question is really different from the questions of what, where, when, like that. The next question is, whom do you see in dream? Whom do you see in dream? Whom. Whom means who is there to whom you look in dream. The question is there, whom do you see in dream? So who is there, or who is that person to whom you look in dream? So that is the meaning of the question. So whom do you see in dream? The answer is, I see my determinations in dream. I see my determinations. Now what is the meaning of the determinations? Determinations means my decisions, my fixed points, my dreams. Means I see my determinations in dream. So here, whom do you see in dream? This question begins with whom, then there is do, then there is the subject you, means I, we, you, they. Such type of subject will be there. Then there will be the main verb, and then there will be the object, complement, and at the end of the question there will be the question mark. So this is the detailed situation of this question. The next question is here, whose philosophy do they like most? Whose philosophy do they like most? The answer is, they like God's philosophy most. They like God's philosophy most. So here we will see in detail that the question has begun with whose, that is the WH word. This WH word has begun this question, and this whose or this WH word has taken with it a word philosophy. Whose philosophy, whose son, whose boy, like this. The structure always will come like this, that whose philosophy do they like most? Do they like most? And so the answer is, they like God's philosophy most. So this question has begun with whose, then there is the word, is there complementary word to whose, and then there is the helping verb do, then there is the subject they. They means, again I will tell you that here there will be the subjects like I, we, you, they, and then main verb, and then object, complement, and then at the end of the sentence there will be the question mark. So whose philosophy do they like most? They like God's philosophy most. Next question is there, which book do you read always? Which book do you read always? Now see, which book means that person is asking about the name of the book, the title of the book. Which book do you read always? Means, what is the book, which is the book, what type of book is there that you read always? So he is asking about that. So the question is, which book do you read always? The answer is, I read a romantic book always. I read a romantic book. So a romantic book is the answer. Or the detailed answer is, I read a romantic book always. So this question has begun with which, then there is the complementary word book, then there is the helping verb do, then there is the subject you. Again I will explain here that I, we, you and they, these the subjects always will come here. Then there will be the main verb, and then there will be the object, complement, and at the end of the question there will be the question mark. Now the next point is that wherever, whatever, whichever, whenever, whoever, and whyever, etc. words are used as conjunctions. Means these words always will be used as the conjunctions. They will not be used as the WH words. They will be used as the conjunctions, and so we will see the examples of these words as the conjunctions. So the first is I play. I play. Wherever you play. I play. Wherever you play, it means that here wherever is the conjunction which is showing the place. The subject is talking here that I play. I play means I always play wherever. Wherever means on the place where you always play. Means there is the direction, or there is the particular information about the place, and that's why the subject says that I play wherever you play. So this structure is a subject plus main verb plus conjunction wherever plus again subject and plus main verb. So two sentences of the tenses have been joined by this wherever. So this is called the conjunction, because the conjunction always joins two words or two sentences. The next sentence is, I accept whatever you give to me. What is the sentence? I accept whatever you give to me. It means that I accept what you give to me. Means what is your liking, or what is your interest, or what is your choice. What you give me, I accept that. So I accept whatever you give to me. So here the conjunction is whatever, and this whatever conjunction has joined here two structures. The first structure is I accept, and the second structure is you give to me. So this whatever is the conjunction here. So next, we accept whichever thing we like. Remember, we accept whichever thing we like, means what thing we like, we accept that thing. So here whichever is the conjunction, and this conjunction has joined again two sentences. The first sentence is we accept, and then there is the second sentence, we like. But this whichever has taken a complementary word there, and that is the word thing. So whichever thing, again we will see, we accept whichever thing we like. So this thing word is the complementary word to the whichever. Next sentence, I follow goodness. I follow goodness whenever I need. I follow goodness whenever I need. Means whenever means what? At what time? When I need. I accept goodness. Means always I go through goodness. So here the sentence is I follow goodness whenever I need. So here whenever is the conjunction, and this whenever has joined here again the two sentences, and the two sentences are I follow goodness and I need. These two sentences have been joined by this whenever. Then next sentence is they punish such whoever disturbs them. Whoever means the persons who, the persons, the things which or who disturb them. That is the point. And here they punish such whoever disturbs them. So here I will talk about this sentence, that whoever is the conjunction, and this conjunction has joined. They punish such and disturbs them. These two parts each has joined, and that's why it is called the conjunction. Then the next sentence is we punish him why-ever we need. We punish him why-ever we need. So here why-ever is the conjunction. Its meaning is for whatever reason. For whatever reason means whatever the reason may be, means this why-ever is used for the reason, and that's why we have taken here why-ever. So we punish him why-ever we need. That is the example. And this conjunction why-ever, this conjunction has joined here two sentences. The first sentence is we punish him, and the second sentence is we need. So here we finished our today's topic. Stay safe, stay happy, stay satisfied. Don't go outside of the houses because the corona is waiting outside. Thank you very much.